Welcome back to Rudy's World. Today we're at one of my favorite places, the Finer Details down in Danville, Indiana. Today we're going to be looking at some of the amazing restorations going on here and some of the custom builds. If you're not familiar with the Finer Details, they are hands down some of the best in the business. They handle every aspect of vintage muscle car restoration, from teardown to body and paint to perfect concourse reassembly. Their team is ICCA OE certified. They have produced countless award-winning restorations. Not to mention, they have close to 50 magazine features now. They don't just specialize in concourse restorations though. They do any type of service work, engine rebuilding, repaints, complete resto mod builds, interior work, and reassembly. No job is too big or small. '70 Dodge Challenger RTSE 446 pack automatic with a rare Gator top on it. Check out this Gator green. The Gator tops were first introduced in 1969 on Chrysler C-bodies. Later in 1970, Dodge and Plymouth brought it into the E-body and B-body line of cars. Be sure to check back on some future episodes. I'll be doing updates on this restoration. We're here in one of the many cool rooms at this facility. As you can see, there's nothing but awesome cars everywhere. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger TA 346 pack 4-speed, green go paint job, white interior, definitely a rare car. Behind that, a 71 Cuda convertible. This is a custom build. It's going to be B7 blue with black billboards and a 426 Hemi under the hood. Beyond that, you can see a caveman. Okay, so that's right. This 1970 Chevelle Super Sport here has a 572 big block under that hood. It just got a whole complete paint job, and now it's all masked off, getting its final buff and polish. Right? Christ! I'll throw this camera through the roof. One thing I love about that 71 convertible is that they painted it in a rarer shade of blue called GB7 Evening Blue Metallic. Not many Mopars were painted in this B7 color. It's pretty rare on a Cuda. So this thing is going to really stand out. Not to mention it has a color keyed grille. Once it's all wrapped up with the shaker hood complete and then with the billboards on the side, it's going to look fantastic. Although I love the way it looks now, with billboards or without, I dig it either way. Last but not least, we come to the car that dreams are made of. Or should I say, nightmares. This beautiful black Hemi Cuda is going to be insane. I've been watching this car being built from the ground up, and this thing is going to stand alone from other Hemi Cudas. Its ghost Hemi billboards are just the tip of the iceberg. This thing is getting the monster Hemi implant of a lifetime. Here's the crazy Hemi going in that black Hemi Cuda out there. This is a 572 cubic inch motor built by Gunderman Performance. This thing is going to produce somewhere around 1,200 horsepower. The owner of this 1969 Barracuda has had it for decades. It just came in for a well-deserving body and paint makeover. Take note of all of those old decals from the Mopar National stuck on the windshield. There's just too many great memories there, and the owner has chosen to keep them on. We're glad he did. Another detail I love is the old school Mickey Thompsons wrapped around those vintage slots. They definitely give this Barracuda the day 2 look, and it's bad to the bone. Another satisfied customer. Be sure to check back on my channel for more updates from the finer details and all my other muscle car adventures. Thanks for watching.